Alright guys, this is going to be a long video, but strap in. I am selling or sending off all of these cards to a company that sells for you on eBay called DC Sports 87. So we're going to go through all of these cards, and it's going to take a long time. But we'll start off with the autos. We've got a Cade Horton auto from 25 Bowman, Connor Eaton, another Connor Eaton, Kyle DeBarge, Kevin Castillo, Cody Freeman, Jackson Humphreys, Walker Janik, Luke Keeschel, Ronald Acuna Jr., Kyle Manzardo to 75, Sam Aldegari, Esteban Gonzalez, Valente Bellozo, Leo DeVries, Matt Shaw, David Festa, Tyler Locklear, Alec Burleson. We got Ken Griffey Jr. here, Bryson Stott, Shun Yamaguchi, Nick Senzel, Ethan Small, Nolan Ryan. This is hurting my arms. Jacob Wright, Sammy Hernandez, Richard Maddock, Hagen Smith, Riley Green, Braden Montgomery, Nick York. I'm not going to read them all out. You guys kind of get it. I've tried to sell these on Marketplace and eBay and sell them in lots, and I just don't like dealing with people on Facebook Marketplace. The lowest amount of percentage I will get from selling with this company is 80%. So we will see what happens. I'm gonna send all this off, and it'll probably take about close to a month before everything sells, and then we will check back in and see how much we made. This one I probably should hold. James Wood is a very good rookie. This one's out of 10. Basically making this video for documentation purposes and education purposes, so you guys can see what the process is like, and if it's worth it to sell your stuff, you know, with a private company. This one's gonna be hard for me to let go. It's another one right there. Killer card. As you guys can tell, I opened up a lot of Bowman. All those videos are here on the channel. There's something inside of that sleeve. It's okay, we'll get a new one and re-sleeve it. You got an image variation right there. And then these two. And that's it. I'm gonna add some more bubble wrap to this and send it off. But thanks for watching, and I will let you know how much we make.